down, she said she on south side. Who's back, but you know I don't really go outside.
Yes, miss. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. So we're in the kitchen today. Guess what? We are making candles today. We are making these Instagrammable candles. I'm gonna insert the pictures here. And yeah, this is actually my first time making candles, and I watched some YouTube videos, so I hope I'll be doing the right thing, and I hope that they're gonna turn out good. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. By the way, I don't know if it's just me, I always feel like that burning candles is like burning money. And so I decided, you know what, let me just try to make my own. It's not cheap online. At least they're gonna cost you around £10, £16, something like that. And I think like making candles should be cheap. And to be honest, it's actually not as cheap as I thought. So I bought these stuff from Amazon, and this is from eBay, and I'm gonna link everything down below. So these 3 items right here, including with these candle wicks, is actually £9. I don't think I will be using this today. And this one is to hold the candle wick in place. So I got this shape, the bubble one, and I also got this body one. Of course, the whole point of making this video was just because of this body. It just looks so cool. I'm gonna make so many of them. So I also got these tray. I got them from Etsy. I got this candle dye to color the candle. These are the fragrance oil that we'll be using today. These fragrance oil are actually super cheap. I got them from eBay, and it was like £5. Buy 5 get 7 free, which means like I paid around £5, and I got like around 12 of them. So yes, it was such a good deal. I also got this one as well, which is the seashell one. And yeah, so let's just start. So the first thing that we need to do is to pinch a hole and then put this through, put the candle wick through. And so this is gonna be the bottom, and so we can light the candle here. So I actually used this mini screwdriver instead of a needle because the needle was not big enough, and when I was doing this one, I actually flipped it because it was a bit hard to do it. We're gonna do this one together. First you have to pinch a hole in the middle, and it will look like this, and then you just push this through. So it should look something like this. So later, when this is too long, you can just cut it. Now we're gonna boil the water now, and we're gonna melt the wax. Oh my god, I almost forgot about this one. They already came with the elastic band, so we have to just wrap it. I hate things when they're not in the middle. I'm like a freak. So now they're looking like this. So we're just gonna bring it to boil. I feel like it wasn't enough, so I'm gonna put more. Now they're all melted. When I was watching the YouTube video, people were saying that I shouldn't put the fragrance just yet. I should wait for a little bit, and so I'm just gonna wait for like probably 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back. So I want this to be white and these two be blue.
Switch it up, take it slow, bring it back, let them know, bring it down to the flow.
Oh my god, that's really full. I'm so scared.
Let it go, baby, back on the grind.
But they're not balanced.
You could do me wrong, I'ma be alright.
Oh my god, what a disaster.
Try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take.
I just want like a baby blue.
Back on the grind.
It's not too much. Sugar!
Do me wrong, I'ma be
Oh my god, it looks so dark.
You could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you.
Well, I cannot do anything now.
They don't sting like me. I'm resilient, like an apple tree. Always wanted more.
Oops.
They just bother me.
Oh my god, I guess I'm too greedy.
Like it falls from trees. I just wanna dance. I just wanna sing for someone like me. Dreams don't come for free, but I take my time.
Guys, I found out what's that sticker for. It's actually like for you to stick at the bottom of the jar.
Take it slow, bring it back, let 'em know, bring it down.
It's been about 20 minutes and I think they're actually dry now. So I'm gonna try to open them. Let's do that. Okay, so whoa, I can already see how it looks. There's a whole year. Oh my god. Booty. Ooh, those abs. Something that I don't have. I'm really scared that I'm gonna break it. She seems to have a tiny waist, and I don't want to break her tiny waist.
Huh? Oh shit, not good.
And I just broke it. Oh my god. Are you serious? Oh, I feel so bad. Guys, this was the reality. Oh my god, guys, I did it. It looks so cute. Even though it's empty underneath. But they look good. Oh look. So cute. This one I have to be really careful again. So guys, I did it. They look so cute now. And you can see the details. Ooh, she got a body, a booty, and a booty. And I can definitely still smell the rose. They got a bit too dark. And yeah, and I think I'm just gonna make a few more now, and I'm gonna open them tomorrow morning. I think the next time I should buy the one that you can actually open from the side. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed making candles with me today. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna link my Instagram here, and so you guys can go and follow me there. And yeah, so see you guys next time.